Hello everyone, welcome to my channel FS Bakehouse. So today I'm going to show you how I have stacked and decorated a rainbow cake. So to start off, I'm using a very thin layer of American buttercream. I'm using my palette knife to spread it out evenly. I'm doing this so that I can stick my cake layers on the board. As it is a rainbow cake, I have used 6 different cake layers and I've colored each layer different colors using food gel color. I'm applying a very thin layer of the buttercream between each layer. If you want to know the recipe for the buttercream or the recipe for the rainbow cake layers, please comment down below. I'm going to repeat this step for every layer. Once I've stacked all my cakes, I'm going to use the same frosting and cover my entire cake. I'm using a thick layer of frosting as I do not want any color to be visible. I'm going to do the same for the top of my cake. Then I'm going to use my palette knife and evenly distribute the frosting. I initially use a palette knife as it spreads the frosting more evenly. I'm going to switch to my metal scraper and smooth out the frosting. For any gaps in the frosting, I'm going to use the cream that I have picked up from the metal scraper, place it on the cake. I'm going to continue scraping and smoothing out my frosting till I am happy with how my cake looks. I'm going to smooth out my frosting one last time. And then I'm going to clean my cake board and pop the cake into the refrigerator for 20 to 25 minutes. For my final layer, I'm using buttercream frosting again, but here I have colored it in 3 different colors. I have used baby pink, baby blue and lilac. I am trying to achieve a gradient effect here. As you can see, I'm piping stripes in the cake so that I can smooth it out more better. I'm going to use my metal scraper to start smoothing out the frosting. Again, for any gaps in the frosting, I am going to use the cream that I have picked up from the metal scraper and fill in the gaps. For the top of my cake, I am using the same colors and piping circles alternatively so that it can create a beautiful gradient effect. If at any point you feel that your buttercream is becoming soft, you can pop it into the refrigerator for 10 minutes and it will be good to go. I am going to smooth out the frosting one last time, and for the top of the cake, I am bringing the lip of the cake to the center. After this, I'm going to clean my cake board and pop this into the refrigerator for 10 to 15 minutes. For the decoration, I am using white chocolate drip. I'm starting the drip from the top of the cake, and for longer drips, I am holding the drip at one place for a longer time. I am going to use the same white chocolate on top of the cake as well. To decorate it further, I am using white chocolate that I have colored lilac, and while it was still setting, I put a few sprinkles on top and then cut them into triangles. With the same white chocolate, I have also made jewels using an ice cube tray. I have colored them purple, lilac and magenta. I'm going to place these on the cake as well. For any gaps between the jewels, I'm using artificial flowers. For the message of the cake, I am going to use fondant. I'm going to place these on the cake board as well as on the cake. And for the final touch, I am going to use the same white chocolate that I've colored lilac and put a few crumbs on the top of the cake and then place my remaining jewels. So that's it. This is the final look of the cake. If you want to know any recipe, please comment down below. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.